Language focus. Mind, universe, disability, resilience. Stephen Hawking. A mind that outran the universe. At just 21, Stephen Hawking was a bright but unfocused physics student at Cambridge when doctors delivered devastating news. He had motor neuron disease, and he likely had only 2 years left to live. For a young man who had barely begun his career, it felt like the end before the real beginning. But something shifted in him. If his time was limited, he decided it would not be wasted. As his body slowly succumbed to disability, losing movement, then speech, Hawking turned inward toward the one thing the disease could never touch, his mind. Before we get to what he actually discovered, if stories like this keep you coming back, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps this channel keep telling them. Confined increasingly to a wheelchair and eventually speaking only through a computerized voice synthesizer, Hawking pursued questions most people never think to ask. How the universe began, what happens inside a black hole, whether time itself had a starting point. His book, A Brief History of Time, became one of the best-selling science books ever written, translating the cosmos into language ordinary people could grasp. Given 2 years to live, Hawking lived for 55 more, becoming one of the most celebrated scientific minds in history. His resilience wasn't just about surviving illness. It was about refusing to let his body's limits define the size of his thinking. Vocabulary and context. Mind, the intellect or mental capacity, especially as a source of thought universe. All existing matter, space, and time considered as a whole disability, a physical or mental condition that limits movement, senses, or activity's resilience. The capacity to recover from or adapt in the face of difficulty.